Can 16-inch alloys look better than 17s? It's time to change the wheels. These 17s originally goes on Audi A4 B89. Don't like them, the offset's too big, and I want something different. I'll need my gun, trusty gun, Milwaukee, always helps me out. I got my Halford jack, torque wrench, Torquio, wheel bolts, guys. Let me show the wheels actually how they look like. Disgustingly looking hubcaps. Why would you put these on? Because I haven't seen an Audi A6 C5 with these wheels, so I decided let's have it a go. 17s, as I mentioned, I don't like. They just look boring. These looks kind of classical. The offset is 35, a bit better than the 17s. Hopefully they turn out good because I have no idea. Let's go. So this versus these. You like this side, that side? Let's change the other three. I made a small mistake. Check rotation. This is going backwards, so I need to swap this. The wheels are done. Now I need to put back the old ones in the warehouse. It's flat. I'm kind of liking it. Even at 16, it looks pretty good. '16s, I will say, look better than the 17s I had before. Next time, we're going to be fitting Maserati exhaust to this thing. Stay tuned.